guys, so I've been getting a lot of requests for at-home haircut tutorials. I don't know how to make videos, so I tried my best. I had Mateo as a model. What we're gonna do today is show you how to clean up around the ears, using a comb to kind of shorten the length right in front of the ears, and then cleaning up the neck. It's basically what I do when I have my male clients come in between services, just so that they don't look shaggy. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Go slow, a little bit at a time, and good luck. So this is what we've got. We've got a grown out haircut. The main points when you're cleaning up or to make a haircut look a little bit nicer is all the edges. Around the ears, around the neck. These are the little points that we're gonna be doing first. And you're gonna see a huge improvement with just cleaning that up. So here's a trimmer. It's a little tiny little clipper here, handheld. Mine is cordless. You might have battery powered or with a cord. It's got fine teeth on it. If you don't already have one, I'm sure you can find one on Amazon to get delivered pretty quickly. So that's what we're gonna be using, as well as a comb. This has got fine to medium teeth. Really any comb will do. Again, we're doing just really simple, quick little things so that you know, our boys won't look too shaggy. Great. Have them tilt their head away from you so you can really see. What we're gonna do is take our little trimmer, little ditty here, on its side, and we're gonna go, sorry babe, we're gonna go and just go up and over the ears and take off all of these little long hairs. Okay, turn on the clippers. On its side, we're just gonna slowly move towards the top of the ear. Now get rid of anything that is touching the ear. Don't move too fast because you will create a big old gap and hole and take off all of the hair right there, which would not be good. Literally just taking what is off of the ear, or what is touching the ear. So with just that little cleanup, you can see how much better it looks. Look at that. Super, super simple, itty bitty tiny little trim. The tiniest little trim. All right, we're gonna do the other side now. Turn on our machine. Literally, I'm placing it just on the skin and super slowly, only clipping what is on the ear. Don't move too fast because anything these clippers touch will get cut. Super slow. And basically resting this little part on the ears. These little teeth, if you're not careful and if your machine is not, you know, super duper high quality, the little teeth will pinch the ears and you will have a very unhappy client. So that's why we're moving slow. And you can see that the teeth, they're not touching the ear itself. They're just grazing on whatever is above the ear. It's literally all we're doing is from the front of the ear to right past the top half of the ear there. And that looks so much better already.
Say something?
By all means.
Yes, if it touches the ear, there will be an unhappy client and an injured eared client.
Yeah, no bueno.
It hurts.
Womp womp.
I've experienced it.
Womp womp. Sorry. Next, we're gonna do these little neck and back hairs. Keep it nice and clean until the next time you can actually get a full haircut. I figure these are usually the things that I do in between haircut services to keep it looking nice and fresh. So you can see where all of this dark hair is. We're gonna go with our trimmer and follow along the line from here to here. So just all of this little extra baby hairs. Turn on our clippers. I'm gonna press it down and move down. Line up to this line. press it down and move down. Lining up right here, press it down and move down. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Press it and move down until you've gotten it to look the way you want to. It is important to move really slowly so that you don't accidentally cut too much, because like I said earlier, anything that the clipper touches, it will cut. And that looks so much better. Okay, the other side now. We're looking for where the dark hair is. We're just taking all of this little extra fuzzy hair down here. I'm gonna press it. I'm angling from our starting point. The clippers are angled towards our end point. If you go like this is literally what you're gonna get, all of that chopped off. Go a little bit at a time. If you feel like you wanna make it a little bit cleaner, take another little section and work your way up. I feel like that's a good, nice stopping point. And we're gonna do the back. Head down for me, please. Thank you. Okay. So same thing. I just want it to be clean, so don't go crazy and go all the way up here. Literally, we're just taking off this peach fuzz. I'm sure y'all have seen the really, really bad home haircut results on social media. We don't want to see your faces on there as a bad home haircut meme. Okay, simple. Okay, so now we've got a nice, easy peasy, simple home cleanup. Super simple. If you want to get a little bit cleaner, you can just clean up just right on the sideburns there. Notice where you cut them. Always work from the bottom up, going a little bit at a time so you don't take too much. Okay, so look, it's already looking so much better. Looking good, Mateo.
Thank you.
So much
Thank you,
good.
mother of mine.
You're welcome, child of mine. Looks good. So far, so good. Okay. What we are going to do is get the hair into the comb. We're gonna comb from the bottom up. Okay, and you see there's some hair right there. Comb from the bottom up. Tilt the top of the comb towards you, leaving the back down here where there is no hair. Okay, so tilt it towards you, and this is what we're gonna clean off. It's important, if you feel nervous, tilt it super close to you and only take off whatever's, can you see? Whatever's just right there. You see that? It's hardly anything. Super slow, a little bit at a time. Just glide it across. Don't move this so that you don't create any funky lines anywhere. Okay, you just cleaned off all of that was right in front of the ear. Okay. And little by little, you can go taking more and more to where it looks less and less like a microphone. There we go. All right, so now we're gonna do the other side. Placing the comb down on the skin. And then moving the top of the comb out, so all you see are these little tiny hairs. Working from the bottom up, just cut off whatever's outside of the comb. And we're gonna keep doing that little by little. until we like what we see. Nice. That looks good. So he still has a little bit of a shaggy haircut, but it looks much cleaner, much neater. Handsome boy. Still a little bit poofy, but if he was to put some gel in there after the shower, it would totally tame that and let it sit real nice. So there you have it. Super simple little tricks, tips to get a nice little clean haircut at home. Just to clean up. Don't go crazy because I don't want to be fixing haircuts when y'all come back, okay?